Hey guys, I have my fridge out. And yeah, we're gonna clean that up while we got it out. But what I'm trying to do is, seeing as how I can't get this plug out, if you probably can't even see it. Get it light. There. Seeing as how I cannot get that plug out, I must prep this part for DC 12 volts. I'll install one of these in this door. Run this up to it, and then we'll install one of these to this part so that we can plug it in and use AC, or we can unplug it and use DC. Right? Sound like a plan? If I can find my drill, because I got to drill me a hole. There it is. Now I got my fridge empty. It's completely empty. I had to thaw it out. So I figured while I'm thawing it out, I shall clean it and do what I've been wanting to do for a long time. Well, pretty much since I got it. And that is install one of these guys. Same thing I got on my bike. But I'm going to have to use the old-fashioned electrical tape, because all my shrink wrap is outside. But that's alright, we gotta test this for polarity. Which means I gotta figure out which one's which. Okay, this side should be the positive. And I only need a little tiny bit of this. Better light. I don't want to cut it too close, because, you know, what if you gotta mess with it? But I don't want to cut it too far away either. And no, there's no power. Zero power. Now, I gotta see that. What I gotta do is strip this out a little bit and see if this side is the positive. If it is, it's the stripe, which means the stripe on this one is the positive. But I can't be sure until I'm sure, right? So I'm gonna strip this side. Come on, fingers, work with me. But I'm almost certain that's the positive side. There we go. Yeah, I'm almost sure that's the positive. But better to be safe than sorry, right? I used to be really good at stripping with these things. See, what I'm going to do is I'm going to strip these, I'm going to plug it in, and put my meter across. It should be 12 volts. One way is going to be positive, the other way is going to be negative. Pretty straightforward. Okay, now we get the meter. And yeah, my meter needs a new battery. But what can we say here? Alright, we set this to voltage DC. Now, can you see? We set this to voltage DC. There we go. Put the metal right about there. I think we could go there, but I like it right there. six of these cannot touch each other. Kind of like that. Just kind of bend them kind of like that. I'm going to plug this in. We have power. Now, I'm going to touch the one I suspect is the positive with my positive lead. And then I'm going to touch the other one. And yep, I'm right. This is positive. Okay, we can unplug this. Alright. Let it drain out. We can drain it faster if we put a load on it. Let's put the load across here. Voila. 6, 5, 4, 3 volts, 2. Coming up on 2. 2 volts. 2.6, 2.5, 2.4, 2.3, 2.2. It's dying. 2 volts. I can live with that. Alright, so that's the positive one. And that's the stripy one. Is the one we want for the positive. So let me strip these. My eyes are junk. I could probably see this better without my glasses. Oh yeah, work it this way. There we go. Now what I want to do is I want to leave my positive long and cut my negative a little bit short. Like that. And on the other side, we're going to do the opposite. Well, on this thing, we're going to do the opposite. We're going to leave the negative long and the positive short. So what we got to do is strip the negative. It's an old trick Malcaroy taught me. That way the wires, no matter what, they can never, ever, ever touch. No matter what. Oh, I should drill that hole out first, shouldn't I? Get that mounted. Okay, what size hole do I need? No, I do need my glasses. Alright, let's see if we can find us a bit that'll fit. A bit to fit. That one might work. That one might even work. Nope. So we go next size up. Yep, I think that'll work. Alright, we need to figure out where we're going to drill here. I'm thinking we'll put it right over here somewhere. And then I want to put a little notch in this door so that the cord can go up in and not be pinched. Not sure how I'm going to do that yet. I might just take my pliers and notch it, or just drill it. I don't know. We'll see. Let me chuck this up. Oh, I should shut this off, save my battery. Alright. Now what I'm going to do is move that over there, get my mess cleaned up, and I'm just going to go for it right through here. We're going to go right here, I think. got me a chunk of sandpaper around here someplace. Righty go. Maybe some sandpaper on it. Ain't no guarantee this is gonna work, mind you. But we sure is gonna try it. It can't hurt, right? This door is supposed to be for a battery, but they don't make a battery for it yet. That was like a future thing, I guess. I don't know. I didn't invent the thing. I just use it. Houston, we have a problem. Alright, we'll go to one size up. Good. Grab this one. This is my biggest bit. So if this one don't work, well, I can't do it. Fine, we'll go this way. There we go. Now I think I can drill it this way. Let me just kind of... It's probably going to be too big. Let me go backwards. I want to do this backwards. There we go. There we go. Now what I do with the thingy? There it is. Now I guarantee that'll fit. Like a glove. Alright, now we need to... Oops. Did I goof that up or what? Oh, I did. Oops. I don't know how I'm gonna get that back on there. I don't even know where the heck it goes. I'd have to take these screws off to do that. Maybe I can just get it enough to where it'll close. No. Dang it. Are you serious? You're not gonna go in there? Come on, snap in. Let me see if I can feel around in there, see where this goes to. Oh. How in the heck am I gonna do that? That one goes this way. Okay. Yeah. Something like that. And then this one. Oh, crud. Did you get it? No, of course not. There we go. There we go. We did it. Alright. Back to the plan. Only we'll be a little more careful this time. afraid we're only going to be able to get this finger tight. But that's all it really needs to be. It don't need to be super tight. Which is a good thing, because it's not going to be. Well, that will do. Alright, now we take our negative, we strip that. My lighter would have been a better. I need to keep a set of strippers in here I can see. There we go. Did I mess it up? Yeah, a little bit, but we got it. Alright, now. We plug this negative in. Like so. Nice and tight. Although this thing only, it don't even pull an amp. Okay, we can leave that like that. Now we gotta figure where we're gonna snip that. I think I'm gonna snip it right there. Snip about that much off and then strip it. Like that. See, now they can't touch. I'm going to bend that one this way. They cannot touch. Now I need to strip this one. Right there. Go. Now this should lay flat once I'm done. Then we can just wrap it with tape. Nice and tight. Should be soldering. But I'm not. See how it's nice and flat? See how that lays nice and flat? And never the two can touch. So now I'm going to go get my tape. Okay, we got some tape. Now let's tape these up. Maybe. If I can figure out where the end of it is. I don't think that's the end of it. Okay, maybe it is. No, right there's the end of it. Oh, we found it. Now if I can get this stupid thing out of here. Come on. I know you're old, but you're not that bad. There we go. Now. Just like that. Now we gotta figure out a notch so that this can go up in. Oh, hey, we don't. Look at that. Goes right in the handle. How convenient. Now we gotta put this side onto this piece. That would be one of these guys. Right here. Then I gotta make one of these that can hook to my battery over there. Alright, let's do the same thing I did before. I'll find my positive, which is right here, and I'm gonna cut my negative. Just a little bit, so you can see what I'm doing here. There you go. Making triple sure. You can't be too sure which is polarity. With AC it really don't matter too much, a little bit, but not as much. But with DC it definitely matters. Okay, now I'm going to hook my negative. Strip that. There we go. Just like so. Now we hook my negative. Right? Yep. Yep, that's my negative. Nice and tight. I said winds are not it. Especially this part. But I was never very good at that. Alright, now. We're going to leave that right there. I want to strip it right there, so I want to cut it about there. Now I want to strip it right there. There we go. And we plug that in right here. Just like that. Nice and tight. Now this one wants to go that way, this one wants to go that way. Nice and flat. Put a neat trick on. Now we can tape it up. If I can figure out where the stupid end is, there it is. Generally, I like to have tension on the wire to hold it, you know. But I don't have that luxury right now. And you want to go well past your splice. At least a wrap past it, you know. Like so. Now the only thing left to do is test it. To do that, what we do is we open this up, we plug this in, like that. And I'm going to plug this box in and see if we fry anything. And the thing is on, look at that. Well, it was. Lights on. She good to go. Hello. Close enough for me. Let me check that in the sink. Now we gotta get it back in its place without messing the cord up. That's gonna be a trick. I did it once. I can do it again. That's what I didn't want to do. Turn on. There's the trick of it. There we go. Now I need to set this. That one's at 40. And how do we switch this? Okay. Okay. That's it. Hey, it's still and that's Fahrenheit. Alright. And now it's locked. Cool. Should be right. Should be right. Should be right. It saved all my settings. Can you imagine that? I need a way to put this somewhere else so it lines up. Somewhere else. So it's not directly on the floor. A zip tie. Oh, indeed. That's how we'll do it. Alright, let me, alright, zip tie. That's gonna have to be up there. Alright, guys, I think I'm gonna, let's go with that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this box right here and I'm gonna zip tie it to that. That way it's off the floor in case it gets wet. I don't want that getting wet. So on that note, we'll see if the fridge gets cold or not. And if so, I'll put my food back in it. I got it sitting out in the cooler. It works. Anyway, I'll get back with you guys on the next one. Thanks for sticking around. Peace.